How to keep yourself self motivated. Today, it's necessary that one should always be motivated in order to face the perils of this competitive world. Now, I would suggest that you remember just one word: workforce. Workforce, where W stands for hard work, very hard work, O stands for optimism, R stands for respect yourself, K stands for knowledge, pursue knowledge, F stands for failure, don't be afraid of failure, O stands for oblige others, motivate them, R record your success. It's necessary to keep on reviewing your success. C stands for consistency. Be consistent, don't allow enthusiasm to go down. And finally, E, engage yourself with your goals. Continuously keep the engagement. Now, let me elaborate on each of these. When I say work hard, let me tell you, unless you are prepared to work hard, unless you decide you are determined to work hard, it doesn't work. So, for keeping yourself motivated, you have first to take a decision that you are prepared to work hard. Optimism is something which is necessary in life. If you are a pessimist, you will not be able to do anything worthwhile. So, be optimistic. Third, R stands for respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, how do you expect others to respect you? Now, if you respect yourself, then only you have belief. You have belief that yes, you can do it, and you will keep yourself motivated. R stands for knowledge. K stands for knowledge. Knowledge is unending, and it is necessary for everyone to pursue knowledge. Knowledge till the last day of your life, and that will also help you in keep yourself motivated. F stands for failure. Failures are bound to come, difficulties are bound to come, and you should decide that you will never be let down by failure and face failures with courage. O stands for oblige others. Oblige others with motivation. You motivate others. If you if you motivate others, you will definitely help yourself keeping your motivation. R stands for record your success. Whatever small success you get from day to day, keep a record. That will also further motivate you. C stands for consistency. Be consistent. Be consistent in your energy. Be consistent in your enthusiasm. If you are consistent, I can assure you, you will achieve, and therefore that achievement will also help you to keep yourself motivated. Final E stands for engagement. Engage yourself with your goals. If your bigger goals, you slice them into smaller goals and keep on pursuing, keep on achieving, face the failures, do it again, and this is the way you will be able to achieve your larger goals. So, if you just remember workforce, you will keep yourself motivated. Thank you.